So happy iPhone day. My order has now arrived. So time to get something unboxed and let's just check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are. My order has arrived pretty much apart from my orange 16 Pro Max. It's coming on Wednesday. Today's Friday, so I was always going to be going for the Air first because the Air is the one that's intriguing me. The Pro Max, I know exactly what I'm getting with it. It's a big phone, big display, big cameras, etc, etc, etc. I know what I'm getting with it. The Air is new territory. So for me, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Air right now. We're going to get a look at it. I'm going to get it set up and I'm going to switch my phone over from the 16 Pro Max to the 17 Air. And I'm going to rock the Air as my main device. So let's get started. So here's my order. So I did get the new Apple Watch Ultra, which I will do content on the channel. But for now, we're going to set this to the side. Also, I got my new AirPods Pro 3, which I also will be doing content on. So stay tuned for that coming. And I do have the iPhone Air and I do have the 17 Pro Max in deep blue. Now this is my wife's iPhone. And as much as I would love to open this and unbox this, she would kill me if I opened it on her. So sadly, I am not going to unbox it. But if you want Kylie to do an unboxing of this phone, let me know in the comments down below and we'll make her do it on either this channel or her own channel, which is Life with Kylie. I'll leave you a link in the description down below. But if you want to see her unbox this, let me know in the comments down below. We'll just peer pressure her into it, you know yourself. So we'll just set the Pro Max to the side. So here we go. So I went for the Air in the sky blue. I went for the base model 256 gig because I don't need any more than 256 gig. It's more than plenty for most people. This is the first of getting to look and get hands on with the iPhone Air. So let's check this out. Oh my god, look how thin it is! Oh, that's crazy. And did we get... No, is it? No, it's just white. I was hoping that Apple's going to start doing braided color matched cables. Boo. And that's all that's in the box. So we'll just set the box aside. And look at that. Oh, look at that. Sky blue color. That was really nice. Really, really nice. Now, I've had cases in for the iPhone Air and I'm looking at it going, oh, these are slim, but you never really get an idea of just how slim and thin it is until you have it in your hand. But guys, this is crazy. Here we go. There. It is very nice. It is really lovely to hold. Oh, here we are. So we'll just go through the setup here. And just to prove, I am setting this up from my phone. So set up for me. And I'm just going to set this up clean. Just set it up as a fresh phone. I'm not going to do any backups or restores or anything like that there. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, I did have, my main number is on an eSIM. And I am intrigued to see just how easy this is going to be. Now, I did get an Apple Care replacement phone and I was able to swap my eSIM with very, very little issues. So I'm hoping I'm going to have the same process here because I don't want there to be any issues with my SIM. And we have a software update as well. So while that's downloading, we'll just check this out. I mean, look how slim and beautiful this thing is. I didn't think I would actually be enamored with a really thin phone, but it does. It feels really nice to hold. Just to sort of give you an idea of just how thin this phone is. Like, here's my 16 Pro Max, and there is the Air. I mean, it is night and day just how thin this thing is. But if that doesn't really give you much of a comparison, I have the iPhone 6 Plus here and the 6S, which were considered to be the slimmest iPhones. So I think these are the closest that you'll sort of get to how thin this thing is, and even at that, I think this is thinner, which is crazy. And of course, I do have an S25 Edge. So, I mean, to compare the two of these, this is more squared off. This does have like slightly more rounded edges, which I think I prefer. It makes this nicer to hold. Time will tell. But this doesn't feel as wide, which I think makes it a little bit more comfortable to hold. So yeah, I think I do like it. I do like the Air so far. Just going through the motions. Yeah. Right, so this is the part I'm worried about now. So transfer phone number. So transfer, confirm transfer on your 16 Pro Max. Activating, connecting to network. Ta-da! Yes! O2 have finally got their stuff together. Thank you. Right, it's just trying to add on my Apple Pay cards now. So, no, I want to do all that later. Sure. 16 Pro Max, you have served me well. Speak. Ta-da! Ta-da! Right, there we go. My main SIM is now in my iPhone Air. How scary is that? So, the big question, why did I buy an iPhone Air? Well, simply put, I'm a techie, right? I love to check out all forms of new tech, and let's call a spade. I have had the iPhone Pro Max every year since they made one. Right? So, for me, this is something different, it's something new, and I wanted to try it. I wanted to try it and experience it. And also, I want to do a full review on this phone, and I can't do a full review without using it properly. So it's the same way as when I review an Android phone. I will put my SIM into that Android phone, and I will use that Android phone every day, and I can then do a full, honest, guaranteed review of that device. This is no different, and I've done this on camera. I've let you see it. My eSIM is out of my 16 Pro Max. It is in the Air now, so I am Pro Maxless. Pro Max less now. I'm out of my comfort zone, but I'm excited because this is something that I really want to see. Can you go from a Pro Max to one of these phones? This is what I want to see. So I will be featuring the Apple MagSafe battery pack for this phone, which I did pick up. And I picked up the Apple bumper as well. I also have picked up a pile of cases for this phone, so I will be doing case reviews for the iPhone Air as well, so stay tuned for that coming. But that is the main reason why I've picked up the iPhone Air. It's something different, it's new, and I just want to try it. My Pro Max is still coming. I have a Cosmic Orange Pro Max coming, and I will do an unboxing for that as well, so stay tuned for that coming. But for now, I'm going to go get the rest of my apps installed on this and get using it. So, yeah. So that is the iPhone Air, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Which iPhone 17 are you upgrading to? If you're upgrading, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any questions about the iPhone Air? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll answer any questions you have, no problem at all. Let me know in the comments down below. And that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more down-to-earth tech review and accessories coming for you, so stay tuned. And if you want to see some more iPhone 17 content, you can check it out right here.